Hello children, welcome back to my channel Studies Forever. Yesterday we have learned about this lesson, the nuclear test. Half lesson I have explained for you children. Let us go today with the half lesson. See what we have learned yesterday, that the Anjali's grandparents were going to come for Anjali's house. Anjali was not willing to share her room with their grandparents. She don't want to leave her room. She don't want to give her grandparents room. And she just what she became as fussy, irritating, brattish, means just like a badly behaved girl. She became like a badly behaved child. So but she was afraid of her father's anger. So let us go here. It was true, having grandparents living with them needed adjusting to a new routine. They were used to a different way of life. They woke up much before anyone else did, and that made things awkward. See here, the grandparents were from the village. Their routine was different, and the Anjali's parents' routine was different. It was true, having grandparents living with them. Just they have to adjust with them. They were used to a different way of life. See, they were in a different way. See, they woke up early as anybody woke up in the house. That made things awkward. Awkward means here what? Lack in grace. Means it looks so different. Dadi was forever doing some puja or the other. See, Dadi used to do the puja every day. And if there was objection to onions in the food one day, see, no, they were not using the onions in one day. It was eggs the next day. See, next also there was an objection to eat. They would not go with them to eat out in restaurants. See, the Dadi and Dada was from the village. They did not like to go out to have a food in the restaurants. They would not watch movies in the theaters. See, not go for the restaurants and not watch the movies also in the theaters. They would not enjoy shopping just for fun. See, they were not enjoyed by doing the shopping. They thought strap dresses were too foreign and short skirt totally avoidable. See how the Dada and Dadi were they were traditional. Means they avoid the strap dresses wearing, short skirt wearing, because it just give a foreign touch. Means foreign look. Pop music was noise and ice creams were not good for health. See how the Dada and Dadi were. Pop music also was not not heard by them, and ice cream was not good for health. The one thing they did share was an addiction to television. See, one thing was good with them. What was that? That was a addiction with the television. They used to watch TV because they had a great attraction with that. But the programs they watch put Anjali to sleep. See what the programs they were watching, no? That was made the Anjali to sleep. Anjali felt as if she had suddenly been imprisoned. See how the Anjali felt that she has kept in a caged. Means she has put in a cage. She was feeling herself. The house, all 850 feet of compact space planning, suddenly looked too small. See how much big the Anjali's house was. 850 feet too big was that. But it was looking that Anjali felt that it was looking to her small by their grandparents. That what? Routine. As the days passed, Anjali's anger mellowed into a guarded truce. See, Anjali was anger. No, the parents have come, grandparents. But as the days passed, as the days passed, the Anjali anger was become a softened, and it was just like a temporary deal. Anger was a temporary. It was impossible to remain angry with someone who was so kind. See, do you know children, if somebody is kind, we would not be much anger with them, means we would not be long anger with them. Dadi stopped commenting on her clothes and even bought her a pretty t-shirt when they went sightseeing. See, Dadi also just adjusted, Dada and Dadi. Dadi, she stopped commenting, means she did not say, she stopped saying anything on her clothes, and even she also brought a pretty t-shirt. See, even Dadi also brought a pretty t-shirt for her when the Dada and Dadi went for the sightseeing. TV became a divided schedule of the most favorite program on each individual list. See, television also what they have did, they have divided according to their programs. If the Anjali wanted to watch the TV, she used to watch their programs. Later the Dada and Dadi, later the parents. Dada helped Anjali with her projects and he was a big help with the math syllabus. See, Dada was used to do her projects, used to help in her projects and used to solve her, means to help her in the math syllabus. He also got Anjali into the habit of reading the newspaper, and they would exchange world views when he walked with her to the bus stop every morning. See what the Dada has done here. The Dada made Anjali to read the newspaper daily, and they were exchanging the world views when Dada was going on a walk with Anjali on every morning. Anjali's mother worked in an office. See, she also a working lady. She works in the office and she left along with her father every morning. See, every morning the father and mother used to go for the office. Breakfast was always cornflakes and it was usually sandwiches for Anju's lunchbox. See, mother was the working lady, so she used to give always the cornflakes and the sandwiches for the Anjali's box. And when her mother got back in the evening, she was so exhausted herself that cooking was never a great activity. Means when mother used to come by the evening, she was tired and she was tired of her work and she was just exhausted, means she was tired of her work in the office. So the cook was never a great activity, means she never used to do such great dishes in the evening. But now Dadi had taken over the kitchen. See, Dadi has come to the house. What she has done? She has taken over the kitchen. She actually said she was getting bored of doing nothing. Dadi was a fantastic cook. See, always Dadi used to tell that I have become here, just I have been bored here, feeling bored, just of nothing works here. So she was just made herself as busy in the cooking. And then Dadi also was a fantastic cook, very great cook she was. Suddenly they were being pampered with the most divine parathas and sabzi, mithai and pakoras, salads and pickles. See, Dadi used to do what? Anjali's mother used to prepare only the cornflakes, the sandwiches, but the Dadi has now hand over the kitchen. So she was preparing new dishes daily. That was the parathas, sabzi, mithai, pakoras, salads and the pickles. Anjali's mother could now slow down a little and rest her feet. See, now the Dadi was helping Anjali's mother in the cooking. So Anjali's mother was feeling herself as a rest, means she was feeling relaxed. She even had more time for her daughter. See, now she got a time to spend with her daughter. She was also immeasurably reassured that her child was in the most caring hands possible. See, now the mother was felt that now the child is very certainly, the child is now my child is in a caring hands. Who are here caring? Grandfather and the grandmother, Dada and the Dadi. Till one day when the grandparents announced, we are thinking of going to Rita's place for a while. See, till one day, means one day the grandparents announced, means they told that we have decided to go for the Rita's place. Who was Rita here? Rita was Anjali's bua, means aunt. One day they have told that. So let us see what happened. Here is the Anjali is willing to send the grandparents, or she is happy here. Let us see. Before anyone could say anything, Anjali burst out. Oh, can I have my room back then? Dada, Dadi, when are you going? See, she was with the happy that she told that, oh, I can have my room back. When are you going? She asked. The silence that followed was terrible, and only Dadi had some kind and general words to fill it with. Later, apart from her room, Anjali got the worst scolding she deserved, and in 2 days' time. See here, the Dadi just felt that in the silence she told that it was terrible, and Dadi, what she has done in a general word, she filled that one. Okay, we are going to wash house now, and you will get your back. You will get back your room. Then Anjali got the worst scolding. She deserved that one. Means here the Anjali got the scolding from whom? From the parents. That was the desirable. And in 2 days' time, they were in a nuclear family again. See, again in the 2 days, when the Dada and Dadi go back, again they will be in a nuclear family. Means they were not in a joint family. Only Anjali, Anjali's father and Anjali's mother. But it was lonely achievement. See, it was a lonely. She will feel again alone. No one will be there for take care of the Anjali. There was no one to come home to but the silly TV. There was none to talk to. See, if Anjali comes back, there were nobody to talk her, nobody to pamper her. Only there was a TV, and alone she alone has to stay till her parents come from the office. And nobody will be there to talk with her. Her mother was again overworked with no time for anything. See, again her mother will be overworked. Means she has to do in the office work. Again she has to look after the household or anybody. But most of all, the noise and the bustle of one big happy family had faded into silence. See how the big means before it was that the happy family was there. Means everybody was helping Anjali. Dada was helping Anjali in her works. Dadi was preparing dishes. Mother was feeling some relax. That has become silence. Means again there it had turned into a nuclear family. The house, all 850 feet of compact space planning, suddenly looked too big. It looked big for Anjali when the Dada and Dadi went from there. When the phone rang the following night, see the same night when the phone rang there, just like they had expected it would, means they have expected that the phone call is from the Dada and Dadi. It was Anjali who ran and picked it up. See, who ran there suddenly to pick up the phone? The Anjali ran, and she was expecting that it would be a Dada and Dadi's phone call. Dada, Dadi, when are you coming back? See, finally Anjali, what she asked soon after picking the phone, she didn't ask, how are you, Dada, Dadi? What are you doing there? Stay back there. She didn't ask because she was missing Dada and Dadi. So she asked that, when are you coming back? When you will come back again to our house? She was explaining. Means here the Anjali understood the presence of grandparents. If they will be at home, how the atmosphere will be, and if they go from there, what the atmosphere was. Here children, I hope you all understood this unit.